Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the volume weighted momentum indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume weighted momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 43 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 493 indicators, with 205 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the volume weighted momentum indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And the setup on this is relatively easy. So when we get a red arrow pointing down, we are going to go short. When we get a green arrow pointing up, we are going to go long. That's the setup on this one. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal we get is a long signal, and you can see that we picked this one up right here, the green arrow pointing up. Unfortunately, almost immediately, price action starts to push its way down and stops us out on that first one. Then we pick up the second one here. This one is a short as price action does push down there, and it comes down and gets us to take profit pretty nicely there. And so let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we picked up a long signal over here for just a moment, and then immediately on the second candle, the very next candle, we flip to a short signal. And you can see that price action pushes its way down again really nicely. They're getting us to take profit once again. Then we pick up another fake out right here as we pick up a long signal, and then almost immediately price action continues to push down and picks up this short right here as price action pushes down a little bit more and hits the take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post often market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using exactly when they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates. And we've recently had that transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all those indicators. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos and look at those strategies. Another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they're giving away to all the patrons for free. They're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that taken care of, they will be offering that to the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. Alright, let's go back and take a look at our indicator here. Everything in focus there. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. All in all, not a bad indicator. Did pretty decent. Little bit of room for improvement. I wish it wouldn't have faked this out a couple of times over here. That would have really given this a really awesome win rate. And even over here where it kind of faked us out on this one. If we could have filtered out a couple of those, then the win rate on this would have been really impressive. And the number of trades, really decent, 15 trades in the 1 year's time. And so that's not bad at all. So yeah, all in all, not a bad indicator. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.